Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make a microwave edit on CapCut. Here is a preview. So first you are going to get your clip, then duplicate it, and then reverse the second one. Next, you are going to go to your first clip and press speed, then select curve, then press custom, then put the first beat to 5.6, then delete the next 2 beats, then on the 2 last beats put them as 0.3. Then make sure it's on better quality. Then do the opposite for the second clip. Thanks for watching.